Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin in Settings, so unlock your iPhone and keep your passcode handy. Once done, open Settings and tap Accessibility. That's where all speaking features live. Make sure you locate VoiceOver and spoken content immediately, because these are the two places that make the phone read text aloud. Tap VoiceOver first and toggle it off, then return and tap spoken content to access Speak Selection and Speak Screen. This gets you into the precise controls you'll change next. Now focus on the specific toggles. In spoken content, turn off Speak Screen and Speak Selection so swipes and selections stop reading. Make sure typing feedback is off. That's what reads characters as you type. Next, check Announce calls and any other announce options. Turn them off if they're reading aloud. Finally, open voice settings inside spoken content and set the voice to off or pause speaking rate. Once you finish these steps, normal reading should stop. To complete, restart the phone to clear cached accessibility states, then test by selecting text or swiping down with 2 fingers. Nothing should speak. If speech returns, check the accessibility shortcut in Settings right arrow accessibility shortcut. Remove VoiceOver or spoken content so triple-click doesn't re-enable it. If problems persist, reset all settings will restore defaults without erasing data. Use it as a last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.